Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you all the information about Youth Power India, which is very important. Now you are thinking, what is Youth Power India? If talk about the Youth Power India, this is India's leading e-learning program providing India's youth a better future in terms of financial freedom. Now talking about the Youth Power India's mission to reach as maximum youth as possible to provide them knowledge and make a difference in their lives through program. Now talk about the management of Youth Power India. Mr. Akash Singh is the founder and CEO and the co-founder Mr. Arun Shahu. Now talking about the Youth Power India legalities. The company is ISO certified, Udyam certified and has also labor certified. And you can find all the details and certificate on the company website. Now let's talk about the opportunity. So this opportunity is for all these peoples who wants to earn a lot of money by improving his skills. Because Youth Power India is giving you an opportunity where you can improve your skills and earn money. This is a platform where you can earn 30,000 to 40,000 in a month and also create a six-figure income. It all depends on you how much you want to earn. Now let's talk about who can take this opportunity. A student who wants to fulfill his dreams. A housewife who wants to help her family. A job person who can do this along with his job. And a positive mindset person. Let's talk about the packages of the company. Youth Power India have two packages. One is starter package and second is professional package. Now let's talk about the starter package. There are 6 types of courses in starter packages and all courses available in the form of videos. And you get weekly training and all courses are life changing in it and WAM weekly affiliate marketing training and career guidance also and workshops and training and many more benefits after enrolling in the starter package. Now take a look at some of the starter packages courses. Number 1 is Facebook Mastery. In Facebook Mastery, you will see how to design your Facebook account or business page in a professional way and make leads and money from it. Number 2 is Instagram Mastery. Similarly, in the course of Instagram Mastery, you will see how you can earn money and generate leads by using Instagram and many more. Number 3rd course is LinkedIn Mastery. In LinkedIn Mastery, you will learn also all the things that will very useful and important for your future. Course number 4 is 3-in-1 Mastery, which is Pinterest, WhatsApp and Telegram. In this course, you will see what are the techniques of Pinterest, WhatsApp and Telegram and how to use them. You will learn all these things in this course and will see how you can earn and grow using them. Course number 5 is Effective Lead Generation. This course is very special. In this course, you will learn all the effective strategy of lead generation. Course number last and 6 is 21 professional ways to earn money online. This is our most special course, and in this, you will learn not one, not two, but yet 21 powerful ways through which you can earn money online. Now it comes to the money. You are thinking about the prices of packages because you have seen many premium courses which are very expensive and are not available easily anywhere. So assume 10k? No. 5k? No. 2k? No. It just only on 599. Yeah, of course. Because that's the mission of company reaching more and more youth to make a differences in their lives and take them for ahead. Now let's talk about how you will make money. Assumed you have purchased this product and you learn, and after that promote it, and if there is a sale from your promotion, then you get 67% commission directly, and then that person also learn and promotes it him further, then he get also 67% commission directly, and you get 18% extra commission indirectly, which is your passive income. Know that you will get total 85% commission. Now let's talk about why we should choose Youth Power India. Youth Power India is MSME certified and labor registered and ISO certified also, and provides 85% commission and weekly payout, every Sunday closing and Wednesday payout, and many more. And the company have a certain amount which is the profit that donates every month in NGO for the education of poor childrens. In last one of the biggest advantage is that you are also getting passive income from it. Along with this, you will get many more benefits in the courses. You will get the training very well with professional trainers and also professors. This was a short introduction about Youth Power India. Humble request to all of you, please share this video because sharing is caring.